Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you this easy everyday smoky eye makeup look. For this tutorial I have used the Essence Turtle You're in My Circle eyeshadow palette. It is from the limited edition collection Tansation and I'm obsessed with the packaging of the products. Don't forget to subscribe if you wanna see more makeup tutorials and reviews, and share this video with a friend that likes soft smoky eye looks. I'm starting off with eyeshadow Beach and I'm pressing it all over my brow bone. You can also use this eyeshadow to set your concealer if it matches with your skin tone. Now I'm picking up the shade Dune with a fluffy brush and I'm gonna diffuse this in the crease. This is gonna be the transition shade and I'm trying to keep the color in the outer part. Then I'm taking eyeshadow Wind. It is darker and I'm gonna put this on the outer eyelid. To soften out the edges, I'm also blending with a fluffy brush. For smoky eye looks, you need to blend all the new layers of eyeshadows and then add more product. To build the color up, I'm also taking some with my fingertip and I'm tapping that in on the same area. When I first started with makeup over 10 years ago, I used to love shades like this one. It was my go-to eye look. Moving on to Eyeshadow Island, this beautiful warm brown shade. For this one I'm using an angled fluffy brush and I'm buffing that out in the outer crease. This way I'm gonna uplift my eyes and give a more awake look to my slightly hooded eyes. Be careful with this shade, you just need a little bit, blend it and then add some more. Like the way that I'm using it here. With a smaller brush I'm taking the same shade and this time I'm gonna define the bottom line of the eye. I'm smudging the color very close to the lashes and I'm also blending outwards. Next I'm going over the edges with the shade Maldives and this is gonna give the smoky effect to the lower eyelid as well. For the inner eyelid, I'm taking the shade Shark. With a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm pressing the color and then I'm also adding some with my fingertip to intensify the sheen of it. You can also use a glitter primer or a setting spray to make your eyeshadows more shimmery. Here we have Eyeshadow Rock, the darkest shade of the palette, and with this I'm gonna define the upper lashes and also the outer part of the bottom. I like using eyeshadows instead of eyeliner to give a more wearable vibe to my eye makeup. Also, it is very practical when I don't have a lot of time for eyeliner. Now I'm taking the Heat of the Sun Maxi Bronzing Highlighter in the shade Sun Seeker, and with this one I'm gonna contour my face. This is a very easy product to blend on the skin and you can also use it on the nose. For a blush, I'm taking the Blush Lighter by Essence in the shade Peachy Dawn. This one was in my top 10 Essence products. I'm gonna link my video in the description box below. To highlight my face, I'm using the Maxi Bronzing Highlighter in the shade Beachaholic. And I'm diffusing this on the cheekbones, tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. I'm also taking some with a smaller brush and I'm gonna pack that in the inner corner. It looks so pretty on the eyes and let's see on the brow bone too. Gorgeous as well. In the waterline, I'm adding the Long Lasting Eye Pencil by Essence in the shade 31 Rosy and Goldie. For mascara, I have here the Lash Princess by Essence for a false lash effect. They also have released a waterproof version of this one, but I haven't tried it yet. Let me know if you like it. I'm outlining my lips with the soft contouring lip liner in the color 2 Nude Painting. And I'm also filling them in with the lip pencil. Then I'm adding on top of that the Yves Saint Laurent lipstick. This is the Rouge Pour Couture in the shade 70. On the center of the lips I'm applying the Gloss Me Up Lip Gloss by Barry M in the shade Sugar. The scent of this one is like bubblegum and it smells amazing. You can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!